What is Cocomelon?
Cocomelon is a popular animated YouTube series that teaches kids through songs and stories.
Who is the main character in Cocomelon?
The main character is a cheerful baby named JJ.
What does JJ usually wear?
JJ usually wears a yellow shirt with a blue onesie.
Who are JJ's siblings?
JJ has an older brother named Tom Tom and a sister named Yo Yo.
What kind of show is Cocomelon?
Cocomelon is an educational and musical show for preschoolers.
What is the main goal of Cocomelon?
The main goal is to teach children basic life skills through fun songs.
What type of animation does Cocomelon use?
Cocomelon uses bright and colorful 3D animation.
Who created Cocomelon?
Cocomelon was created by Jay Jian and his wife who wanted to teach their children.
When did Cocomelon start?
Cocomelon started on YouTube in 2006.
What was the original name of Cocomelon?
It was first called Checkgate and later ABC Kid TV.
What is the theme song of Cocomelon about?
The theme song introduces JJ and his family.
Who are JJ's parents?
JJ's parents are called Mom and Dad, and they are loving and caring.
What pet does JJ have?
JJ has a cute dog named Bingo.
What lessons does Cocomelon teach?
It teaches manners, sharing, and basic education.
What are some popular Cocomelon songs?
Some popular songs are Bath Song, Yes Yes Vegetables, and Wheels on the Bus.
How long is a typical Cocomelon episode?
An episode usually lasts 3 to 5 minutes.
What colors are most used in Cocomelon?
Bright primary colors like red, blue, and yellow are used the most.
Where can people watch Cocomelon?
People can watch it on YouTube and Netflix.
What makes Cocomelon songs special?
The songs are repetitive, catchy, and easy for kids to sing.
What age group enjoys Cocomelon?
Cocomelon is made for toddlers and preschool children.
How many subscribers does Cocomelon have on YouTube?
Cocomelon has hundreds of millions of subscribers.
Why do children love Cocomelon?
Children love it for its bright colors and fun songs.
What subjects does Cocomelon teach?
It teaches numbers, letters, colors, and moral values.
What does JJ learn in Bath Song?
JJ learns how to take a bath properly.
What is the message of Yes Yes Vegetables?
It teaches kids the importance of eating healthy food.
What happens in Wheels on the Bus?
JJ and his family sing while riding on a bus.
How does Cocomelon help with language development?
It helps kids learn new words through repetitive songs.
What is special about JJ's family?
JJ's family always supports and loves each other.
How does Cocomelon promote kindness?
It shows characters sharing, helping, and caring for others.
What values does Cocomelon focus on?
It focuses on honesty, teamwork, and gratitude.
How does Cocomelon help parents?
It helps parents teach children through fun and music.
What kind of music does Cocomelon use?
It uses gentle and rhythmic children's music.
What do kids learn from Clean Up Song?
They learn to clean their toys and keep their rooms tidy.
What is the setting of most Cocomelon episodes?
Most episodes take place in JJ's home or at school.
How does Cocomelon make learning fun?
It mixes lessons with playful songs and bright visuals.
Why is repetition used in Cocomelon songs?
Repetition helps kids remember words and actions easily.
What emotion does Cocomelon try to build in kids?
It encourages happiness, curiosity, and confidence.
What role does JJ's mom play?
JJ's mom teaches and takes care of him lovingly.
What does JJ's dad usually do?
JJ's dad plays, teaches, and works to support the family.
How does Cocomelon handle bedtime?
It teaches bedtime routines through gentle lullabies.
What does the song Baba Black Sheep teach?
It teaches kids rhythm and counting while singing.
What makes the visuals of Cocomelon appealing?
The characters are colorful, soft, and expressive.
What do children learn from the dentist song?
They learn how to brush and visit the dentist happily.
What is the moral of sharing song?
It teaches that sharing makes everyone happy.
What can parents expect from watching with their kids?
Parents can enjoy safe, educational, and peaceful content.
How does Cocomelon teach emotions?
It uses expressions in songs to explain feelings like happy or sad.
What do kids learn from the doctor checkup song?
They learn that doctor visits are good for health.
What do characters do in playground song?
They play games and learn to take turns.
How does Cocomelon influence daily routines?
It helps kids follow habits like washing hands and eating.
What does the potty song teach?
It teaches toilet training in a fun and gentle way.
What kind of art style does Cocomelon have?
It has a 3D, smooth, and cartoonish art style.
What do children learn from ABC song?
They learn the English alphabet from A to Z.
Why is JJ a relatable character?
JJ represents the curiosity and innocence of toddlers.
What do friends in Cocomelon do together?
They sing, play, and solve small problems.
What do the school scenes in Cocomelon show?
They show learning, cooperation, and respect for teachers.
What do children learn from numbers song?
They learn to count from 1 to 10.
How do songs help memory in children?
Songs make it easier for kids to remember lessons.
What do the background settings include?
They include parks, schools, kitchens, and bedrooms.
How does Cocomelon support learning at home?
It encourages kids to repeat songs and follow routines.
What is the purpose of head, shoulders, knees, and toes?
It teaches body parts through fun movements.
How does Cocomelon teach patience?
It shows waiting in line or taking turns during play.
What is the message behind Thank You Song?
It teaches gratitude and politeness.
What makes JJ's voice recognizable?
His voice is soft, happy, and full of energy.
What do parents think about Cocomelon?
Most parents appreciate its positive and safe content.
How does Cocomelon affect children's moods?
It keeps children calm, joyful, and entertained.
What does the breakfast song teach?
It teaches children to eat a healthy morning meal.
What do kids learn from Getting Dressed song?
They learn how to put on clothes properly.
How does Cocomelon promote creativity?
It uses imaginative play and music to inspire kids.
What kind of toys are made from Cocomelon?
There are JJ dolls, play sets, and musical toys.
What makes Cocomelon safe for all ages?
It avoids violence, fear, and inappropriate themes.
What kind of family values does it show?
It shows love, respect, and teamwork in every episode.